Hi everyone, Annie here, Ace's paint expert. I'm so excited to share with you another 2022 color trend from Clark & Kensington. This one is called Deliberate Simplicity. If a pricey home update isn't in your budget, let me show you how some paint and some accessories in this palette can really refresh your kitchen. Let's dive in, take a look at the colors, and I'll show you some ideas on how you can use it in your home. Let's start with the colors. The Deliberate Simplicity palette is made up of these 5 lovely colors: Saturday Morning, Belgium Waffle, Stormy Weather, Linen, and Pastel Delicioso. These walls are painted Stormy Weather, a light, airy hue that brings the coolness to your home and pairs well with a bold accent color like this bench. Don't you love how this bench pops and it nicely makes a statement? Here's an Annie tip. Don't throw away those mismatched chairs, embrace them and paint them. It's a great way to highlight colors in a unique way. These soft hues really warm up this corner nook. With colors like Belgium Waffle and Pastel Delicioso, this space is begging for you to sit down and have your morning breakfast. Shop these colors and more at your local Ace and on acehardware.com.